All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be opening up this front tine tiller by Badger. Now, they sent me this to try this out, so we're going to find out if you can buy a tiller on Amazon, put it together, and just go out and till your garden. I didn't even know you could buy a tiller on Amazon. Here we go. Oh, it has a whole nother box. There we go. Ah, it looks pretty there. It can't be that bad. It does say it has a 3-year residential warranty. Let's get this sucker opened up out of the second box. I'm gonna to show you my bald head. Don't get blinded. The throttle is hooked on there. Ooh, the grips are, these are grippy. Got a manual. You might need that. That. Get some parts. Nothing in there. Pull this one out. Nothing in there. Good thing is, it doesn't look like there's a lot to put together. A couple handles, some gas in there, fire it up. Let's cut this zip tie off. Thank you for your purchase. You're welcome. You all sent it to me. Thank you. Thank you, Badger, for sending me this. We're gonna go. This came just in time because the wife said, "When are you getting that tiller?" I said, "I don't know." And then it shows up today. I think she said that yesterday. So it is the beginning of planting season. Actually, what? A couple days, it's Memorial Day. Time to plant. I'm going to show you how to put this together so you don't even have to read this. Wear hearing protection and eye protection. And boots. Don't cut your feet off. They got so much safety. Safety. Because people are just idiots. Somebody would start this thing and put their hand in it and then sue Badger. They stuck their hand in there. So they probably tell you don't do that. Gas is flammable. Huh, imagine that. Don't sniff the vapors. Parts out. Oh, don't go away. You see that? Just pull out, put down, boom. The wheels are engaged. All right, cool. Let's cut this off. This little paper tells you how to start it. All right, that says up. So I'm going to guess it goes up. Make sure it's going up like it says. There's a hole there, Put that on there like that. And then this bolt right here will go on the start on the outside. See how it's square down in there? And that's square. That's going to go together right there. Put that in there like that. You get one of these little black pieces here. Little washer looking thing. That goes on next. And you're going to get this piece. Tighten that up. It might be a little hard to turn because I'm going to guess there must be locking nuts in there. Yeah. So it's supposed to be kind of hard to turn. That's normal because there's a locking nut in there. So then when this is vibrating, it won't come apart. I can't do that in front of the camera. So far, this really doesn't seem that bad. Hopefully it fires up. All right, one more time. Get your other handle. Make sure this part here is going up. And I'll show you one more time. You are going to need one of these. One of these. And one of these. It's pretty simple. It goes on like that. Put your bolt in there. This little washer looking piece goes on the inside. You twist this on. Like I said, it's going to be a little tight, but that is supposed to be because that is so it will lock it on there. So it's kind of hard to turn. You got 2 bolts. Bolt on this side, the square in there, little washer thing on, tighten this up, tighten, 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 seems good. it's a little tighter. All right, last step you have is to assemble these. It's going to hold your wire up. The big part goes on the handle. The little part goes on the wire. And I did actually add a little zip tie right here on the front, just because I didn't like how they were running that wire. You probably don't have to do that. But it looks like the muffler is on this side, so I wouldn't recommend running your wires right in front of the muffler. Now we can add some gas. Make sure if you're going to fire this up, you're not inside your garage or you have your garage door open. Like I'm going to fill this up and go outside here. But it does take a mixed fuel. You can go either buy a pre-mixed fuel or you're going to buy a 2-stroke oil and mix it 50-to-1. A little bit of this left. Same mixture that goes in my chainsaw. So I'm going to put that in there. You cannot put just regular fuel, just with no oil in it, because you will burn it up. It will ruin the engine. That's good enough. Now, all right, it says move the choke lever to the start position. So it says start, run. So we'll put it to like that, I guess. And it says press and release the starter bulb 7 times. You'll feel it's right down here on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. You should be able to see fuel going through some of these fuel lines. All right, I think I went a little more than 7. I don't know. Pull starter cord 3 to 5 times until initial ignition is heard. Move. All right, so when it tries to start, then we're going to put the choke back to run and then pull the starter cord again. Oh. Ha! Holy crap. That thing fired right up. Ah! That's awesome. All right, let's go till up the garden. Right up here, that's how you kill the engine. Push that. That's how you'll stop it. Good thing is I can pick this thing right up. This is just for demonstration purposes, so once you get it in your garden, you're going to want to pick your wheels up like that. I guess maybe you'll get it running first. I don't know. Let's get it running first. I think I can fire it right up. I'd have to say that works pretty good. If you want to check one of these out, I'll have a link to one of these down in my description and in my first comment. So give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and happy gardening.